Today, we will talk about personalized learning. Before we start, let us define first what is personalized learning. Personalized learning refers to practices that tailor the pace and focus of instruction to address the needs and goals of each student. Personalized learning prioritizes a clear understanding of the needs and goals of each individual student and tailoring of instruction to address those needs and goals, defined by Payne's Tenor et al. 2017. Personalized learning takes a different approach from a typical one-size-fits-all classroom model that teaches a standard curriculum to all students with little differentiation. Instead, it tailors personal learning plans to individual knowledge, skills, interests, and learning styles of each student, defined by Powell 2019. Let's move on to the key elements of personalized learning. Student agency. Student taking responsibility over their own learning. Flexible learning. Flexible learning environment enables schools to allocate resources in new ways to best support these processes. Individual mastery. With independent modules designed as part of a larger learning goal, students can focus on mastering skills regardless of time, place, or pace of learning, being allowed to tap into their potential. Personalized learning paths. Personalized paths adapt to multiple learning styles and focus on how students experience learning, offering customizable modules to respond to individual learning needs. Learner profiles maintain a rich and up-to-date record of student strengths, needs, goals, and progress. Characteristic of personalized learning. Student ownership of the learning process. Lesson plans including the goals, teaching styles, and content are geared toward the specific needs of the students. Lessons are developed based on the interest of the students. The pace of teaching is adjusted to suit the individual student. Lessons move at the pace of the student's learning. Students have say over what they learn and how they learn it. Technology is often used to achieve the goals of personalized learning. Multiple intelligences theory. Howard Gardner theory of multiple intelligences indicates the process of categorizing aptitude which corresponds to a specific teaching method to draw out an individual's best potential. This theory proposes the differentiation of human intelligences into specific modalities rather than defining intelligence as a single type of intelligence that focuses on cognitive abilities. Howard Gardner proposed 8 abilities that manifest intelligences. Visual spatial intelligence. It refers to the potential to recognize, manipulate, and visualize patterns in space. Verbal linguistic intelligence. People who are strong in verbal linguistic intelligence are able to use words well both in oral and writing. Logical mathematical intelligence. People who are strong in logical mathematical intelligence are good at reasoning, recognizing patterns, and logical analyzing problems. Musical arithmetic intelligence refers to the skill in the performance, composition, and appreciation of musical patterns. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence, the potential of using one's whole body or parts of the body to move, perform actions, physical control, and handle objects skillfully. Interpersonal intelligence. Those who are strong in interpersonal intelligence are good at understanding and interacting with other people. Interpersonal intelligence, capacity to understand oneself, to have an effective working model of oneself, including one's desire, fears, and capacity, and use such information effectively in regulating one's own self. Naturalistic intelligence, who are high in this type of intelligence, are more in tune with nature and are often interested in nurturing, exploring the environment, and learning about other species. Studies related to personalized learning. The Gates-Rand studies. Payne and his Rand colleagues undertook the field's most comprehensive study to date. They found out that 11,000 students at 62 schools trying out personalized learning approaches made greater gains in math and reading than similar students at more traditional schools. The longer students experienced personalized learning practices, the greater the achievement growth. Those results captured the attention of such luminaries as Facebook founder Mark Zuckerberg, who cited the Rand study as one of the reasons why he is willing to bet billions of personalized learning's future. Calic and Smuda 2017 view personalized learning as a continuum, teacher-directed at one end and student-driven at the other. Furthermore, they apply this continuum to several components of the personalized learning process, including goal setting, idea generation, task and evaluation. Student may lead the way in some of these areas while the teacher takes responsibilities for the others. I will also show to you the sample lesson plan. So this is the end of our video. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.